Hello friends, welcome back. Today I will be trying out some new makeup, more specifically the Mehron body painting set that I got. So this is the Paradise Makeup AQ kit, and I got the Pastel palette, and I also got a couple of individual ones that were not in this palette. So yeah, it comes in this cute little palette. It's adorable. I love little makeup palettes like this. They're so cute. But anyway, so you open it up and this is pretty much what it looks like. It has this little plastic sheet to keep it from getting powder everywhere, I guess. And I actually switched one of the colors. I think it was this blue one. It was actually this brown one that was in here. But the other awesome thing about this that I really wish other makeup brands would do is this is a magnetic palette, and so all these little tins, they are also magnetic and they could be switched out. You can pop them out and put another one in, either when it runs out or if you just want to switch it to a different color. So I love that because, you know, if you use up a makeup palette, usually there's nothing else you can do with it. You just throw it out. It just feels like such a waste. But these are reusable. I absolutely love that. The only thing is that it's kind of hard to get them to come out. I needed to use like something really skinny to like get in there and like pry it up, so that's kind of annoying, but I really love that it's magnetic and you can switch them out. Anyway, I would also like to point out that it smells really really good. Oh, it says right here, magnetic refillable 8-color palette. Yeah, so I will be trying out all these different colors that I got today. I also got a black, a white, and a lime green color, which I know these look very similar, but they are not. This one's a little bit darker. I really wanted this lime one, okay? Don't judge me. I've never used these body paints before, so I'm super excited. And if you saw my last video, you would see that the body paints that I've been using, they were just like a cheap set and it didn't look quite right. It was really shiny, and it doesn't look right. So I needed like matte body paints if I wanted to start doing like actual body painting, instead of just like details here and there or designs or something. Like if I wanted to just like cover all of my skin so that it would look right, because the shininess really kind of kills the effect or like the realism of it. You could see that it's paint and it just looks more fake, I guess. It just doesn't look as good. So I decided to get these. I'm super excited. I've known about Mehron for a while because I've always been into like this kind of stuff, you know, body painting, special effects, all that stuff. So I follow people that have used this, but I'm really excited to try it myself for the first time. Let's explore, I guess. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna start with the first color here at the top, this pink, super bright, and I have a little cup of water here. These are water activated, by the way, so yeah, to use them I need to mix them with water. I also kind of love that because it's gonna feel like real paint, and I really like when I paint, you know, on a canvas, like having the water and being able to like thin it out or you know, clean my brushes, whatever. Like it's gonna feel like I'm painting. So anyway, I love that. All right, let's do this. Ooh, look at that pink. All right, yeah, I'm just gonna try out all the colors, so I'm not gonna be covering my whole face with them, but yeah, this is just like a little test so that I know how they feel and how they look, and yeah. All right. Oh, okay, that's really pretty. Oh wow, that's a really pretty pink. Wow, it really feels like there's not even that much on my paintbrush, but it's so bright. Wow, I love that. Ugh. Wow, that's so pretty. Okay. Wow, okay, I'm getting really excited now. That's a really pretty, oh my god. I'm gonna have to do some pink makeup or something with this, because really, really pretty. Ooh, alright, if you have ideas for what kind of funky pink makeup I should do, let me know. Or for any of these, by the way. I will always take suggestions and ideas. I guess let's try this bottom color. This is like a darker pink. Ooh, that looks pretty too. Okay. Oh, what? That's gorgeous. That's so super pretty too. Oh my gosh. Wow, I love these. I love how they feel. I love how they look. We're gonna see how well they dry. But oh my gosh, so far I'm loving this. Wow. Wow, that's really pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow, wow, wow. I'm so excited. Let's go up and try this blue. Oh wow, that's like a icy, like frosty blue. It's also really pretty. Wow. This would be cool for like a winter makeup look. It's almost like gray or like silverish looking. It's really pretty though. Oh wow, I'm just blown away by all of these so far. I should have done this sooner, honestly. Oh my god. To be honest, like this wasn't even that expensive. Like if I did this the right way, I would have never bothered with the cheap set and just spent my money on this instead. But I still have the other ones, so I will be using them. I just won't be using them like this. Okay, so this is another color I'm really excited to try, and one that I've kind of been wanting to get for a while. There's someone I follow on Instagram who uses this for their like goblin elf look. Can't remember their name. If I look them up or if I remember, I'll put it either here or in the description. But yeah, they're really cool and they use this color. I used to be obsessed with this color in high school. I would have so many clothes that were this color, this like teal turquoise. Let's try it. Oh wow, so pretty. Ooh, I like that. Wow. Oh my gosh. I know I'm just repeating the same thing for every color, but I really do love these. Oh my gosh. Let's try the other blue, the dark blue. This one. Oh yeah, the back of this also has the colors and the names and like information about them, so that's cool. Ooh, look at that blue. Oh my god. Oh, colorgasm over here. Or artgasm, is that a thing? Or is that from back in the Tumblr days? Wow, wow, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, damn, that's so bright. Oh, I'm so excited to use these. Wow, that's super pretty. And look at that, not shiny. It's just what I wanted. Let's see, is it dry? It is, look at that. Oh, and it's not coming off super easily too, which is awesome. Another problem I had with the other paint, the cheap paint, was it was shiny because it never dried, and it never dried, which means it smeared like as soon as anything touched it. So this is awesome. Look at that. There's like a tiny bit coming off, but like I really need to rub it. Like, ugh. Wow. I'm gonna try this green and then the lime green. Ooh, look, it matches my eyebrows. Oh man. I love how these paints like layered together also. It's not streaky, it's like really smooth. It's beautiful. Wow. With beard. This looks so silly. Okay, let's try this lime. Ooh. Yeah, look, that matches like my hair here where it's the lightest. That's bright. That's perfect. But you see, you could see there's a difference between these greens. Or at least I hope you can see. Unless you're colorblind, then I don't know. I'm sorry. Cute. Starting to look like a funky rainbow. Okay, we have 5 colors left to try. Okay, I guess I'm gonna do the purples, so the light one and the dark one. Where do I do it though? Okay. It's a pretty light purple. Pastel color. This actually was one that I also wanted to do a look with. Wow, that's cool. Look how bright these colors are. That's the thing I love the most about this, is like they're so pretty to look at. Like, oh my god. And honestly, I almost feel like it looks better on camera than in real life. Okay, 3 colors left. So that was all of them in the pastel palette except this brown that it came with. So let's do this brown next. Ooh, that's also really pretty. Wow. Okay, I actually wasn't really expecting to like this one much, but it's a very warm brown. It's really pretty. I love how it glides on so easily. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Okay. Yeah, these colors are amazing. These paints are the best. Yep. Now, the last 2 are the white and black, so let's do that. Cute. Let's try the black. I'm just messing around at this point, but yeah, they're all freaking amazing. I'm in love with this paint. This could also kind of be clown makeup, I guess, but yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with this little experimental session. I really like all of them. Obviously, I've been saying that about every single one of these colors. The black though, the main thing that I wanted to see was how saturated it could get, because with the other colors, I feel like they're a little more forgiving when it comes to looking good. but with the black, I feel like it needs to be really saturated and dark, so not shiny, obviously, which is the issue I had with the other body paint. You can see here that it's pretty dark and matte, not shiny, and it looks really good. I mean, it looks as dark as my dress, more or less. Rather, it looks a little bit lighter, but I feel like if I packed it on a couple more layers, it would look just as dark. So I'm happy with that too. These are all amazing. I'm in love, and I really can't wait to actually do some fun looks with these and just go crazy. And yeah, and now I actually don't have to worry about it like smearing on my clothes or something, because that was another issue that I had with the other body paint. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm gonna freaking cover myself head to toe in paint one day, and yeah, just have fun with it. Anyway, I guess this was my little review slash swatch test. This is again the Mehron makeup Paradise Makeup AQ, whatever that is. I guess it's like a subsection of their paints or makeup or something. I would 100% recommend this to anyone who wants to get into body painting. These are really good. Like, I'm blown away. Hope you guys have been enjoying all the makeup adventures I've been going on lately. Sorry I haven't really done too many other kinds of videos, but I really just like had these ideas in my head and I wanted to just do them, and yeah, it ended up being a lot of makeup videos. But I do still plan on doing other kinds of videos, like all the fashion stuff and painting and all that. And of course, my hair is fading again, so it's gonna be time soon to re-dye it. So according to the colors of the rainbow, you should be able to guess what the next color will be. I also have at least 2 cosplays planned, which I do have a wig for, but it is going to be the same color that I'm doing my hair next, so it kind of works out perfectly. I don't know if I'm gonna be making videos of that, but I will be posting pictures with the cosplays on Instagram, so if you're not following me there, follow me. My main page is at hippie magic, that's hippie_magic with a K, and my art page is astral.artist. Those will definitely be over there, and as always, all my links are in the description if you want to check out all the other stuff I do. I also stream on Twitch, and yeah, I just have a billion different pages. Hope you enjoyed this video. This was a fun little experiment. Let me know which color was your favorite. Which of these do you like the most? A little close up. Here we go. Oh yeah, by the way, I did my makeup a little bit today too. It's not great. It was pretty rushed, so shh. So if you like this video, please leave me a like, comment if you have any ideas for what makeup looks I should do with these colors, / what your favorite color was. And yeah, if you aren't subscribed yet, but you love this kind of artsy makeup stuff, then you should subscribe, because there's gonna be a ton more of that stuff. Yes, so I hope you all had a wonderful day or night today, wherever you are, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.